Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Our channel pictures for today is Fish 199 or Fish 911. Let's check the channel. Okay, this is the channel. Fish 19199 pala, sorry. Okay, so let's do this. Okay. Ito pala yung vlog niya. Nakita ko na to I already saw this vlog. Anyway, shout out to Fish 199. Then later on we're gonna have another video pictures. Okay, we're also eating walang pa rin binignit. Okay, then shout out. I'm playing now with Shaina Fatima Shahida. He's having an ads, but it's okay. Let's skip the ads because she's not monetized yet. So please support Ma'am Fatima Shahida to reach 4,000 watch hour. Okay. Ito yung latest vlog niya siguro. Ito one day ago, it's the latest vlog of Ma'am Shahida Fatima. Okay, this is the channel of Ma'am Fatima. This one. Okay. Shout out to Ma'am Fatima Shahida, and then also to Drone from Life. Shout out. And Shen Piano Salon. Shout out. Living after 50s, and nakalimutan ko yung isa si Lover in the well. Anyway, shout out to Fish 1999 is I'm watching your video. Okay, and same time nagsishout out ako kay Natalie Chern. Yan, so cute yan. So this subscriber visited my video, so shout out again. Naturescape Serenity. Si Buboy Palad, shout out. So kita ko na kayo na so Billiard Boy, okay, kita ko na kayo na. It's doon tayo sa pinaka ilalim sa loading ata. Okay, nag-load pa siya. Tayo sa morning commentator charot. Ito, yan si Milda Artajo, shout out ma'am. Yan, si Ma'am Milda. Still playing for you. Fish 1999. Si Ship Samina, shout out. Shout out din si Care Foods. Yan, Care's Food. Shout out. At saka si Edison Bartulay, shout out. Si Boat Car Adventure, shout out. And then si Apsal family, shout out. Okay, that's the video of Fish 199. Okay, lang renta. Let's go on. Let's move to another channel picture. Miss Honeypie. Yeah, Miss Honeypie from Hong Kong. Okay, ang title ng kanyang kuhan ay Swan. Ito si Ma'am Honeypie. So ito siya. So nagmumukbang siya ng turon. So ayan, shout out. Dito din na shout out yan kay si Heaven, Angel Heaven, shout out. Ito si Honeypie. Ayan. Don't forget to follow and subscribe Honeypie channel. So yun, siya na, dalawa sila, si Fish 1999 at saka si Honeypie ang ating napiling channel pictures for today. Okay, so shout out din tayo sa baba. Shout out tayo kay Kizzy Michelle, shout out. Yan. At saka si Tim Mahio o Magio. Okay. Ayan, lakihan din. Ayan. Okay. Tayo. Ganda talaga Hong Kong, no? Beep, beep, beep. This is my last vlog sa eating contest ng tabirak or binignit. Binignit pa to. At saka binatang halo-halo. Shout out to Mr. Ken Wigger, another ancient game. My friend, yeah. Ex-soldier or veteran. Shout out also to Mac G, New Zealand, from New Zealand, yeah, Mac G. Okay. Mac Easy. Shout out. And then si Lindian Bordado. Ayan. Spanish. Oh, ito si Shani Pai. Shout out din. Nagko-comment din siya sa vlog sa atin. So, cute yan. Mayroon siyang ads yan. So, hindi na rin skip yan. Para na. Anyway, 6 minutes na. Okay na. 2 minutes na lang kailangan para makumpleto ang 8 minutes natin sa vlog. Yan si Rico yan. Yan si Rico. Oman, Bisaya. Sa Oman siya. Okay. So, TV si Miro. Shout out. Kasi football, everything on my agenda. Okay. So si Tuanche, shout out. Tuanche. Kasi Ernest Ward yan. Shout out Ma'am Ernest Ward. Na-picture ko yun kanina. Travel vlog niya ba? So, shout out. Please visit her channel. Guys. Don't forget to visit also Bibian PH yan. Ma'am Bibian PH, shout out. So, kasi ito, mga kaibigan natin to, si Debris. Yan. Hindi ko na mabasa, sorry. So, kasi ex-culinary, na gaming channel to. Shout out. Shout out din kay Elan yan, taga Japan, yan, Daijabu. Shout out din kay Nature and Travel. So, shout out kang Kowel TV from Dubai. Okay. Kuwait and Qatar. Kowel Qatar TV. Kowel TV Qatar, sorry. Okay. So, yun na. Okay, na-shout out na yan. Ito, hindi ko pa shout out to. Si Konju Goro. Ayun, no? Hong Kong. Ganda ng Hong Kong. Oh, McDonald's. So, 8 minutes na guys. So, thank you for watching.